everyone, it's Nisha. So this is just a quick video, not the nicest video to make, but I am so fed up with it, and I did a video about it about 2 years ago, but maybe the new subscribers or not everyone of you saw it. So lately, since before Christmas, I would say, I've been bombarded with messages, emails, DMs from you about me advertising wigs on Facebook, which then took you to different websites selling wigs, and you asking me if it's really me advertising those wigs. And there is two different types of messages. So some of you are well aware that this is a scam and that is happening, and you just want to make me aware of it. But some of you think that I actually am advertising those wigs on Facebook. You go and buy it, you get it, and it's a piece of, you know what. I wanted to say again, this is nothing to do with me. These videos that you see on Facebook or anywhere else apart from my YouTube channel have been stolen from me, from my YouTube channel. They've been stolen, the videos, the pictures, and they use them to advertise their cheap ass wigs, pretending that what I'm showing you is what you're gonna get. Now, there isn't much I can do about it. First of all, I don't have Facebook account anymore. I think I might have a page, because at some point I started a page for Facebook page for my channel, sugarpuffandflu, and that might be still up there, but I don't even know how to get to it because I've closed my account down because of that. I hate Facebook. I've always hated Facebook. So I don't have that. So I don't have to see it. I don't want to see it, and I don't have to deal with it. One thing I can do is hit them with a copyright strike. But believe me, this is not an easy 5-minute job. It's a big form that I have to fill up. I have to find my video, show them which bit of my video has been stolen, blah blah, give them links here, there, give them all my personal information, and I have to do that for every single video or picture that I see on Facebook. And I did that 2 years ago when I still had the Facebook account, and they have removed that video from that account. But 2 days later, this video appeared under a different account name, and it was still there. So it's pointless. There is nothing I can do. These companies are usually in China, and I don't think they copyright infringement laws are exactly the same like here. Even if they have some sort of copyright infringement laws, they probably are not that enforceable like they are here. And I would have to spend my time, all my money to fight it. So the latest one, I found these two websites. I've emailed them, told them that if they don't take it down, then I will take legal action against them. Of course, I was completely ignored because they don't care. Even if I serve them with legal letter, they will close it down, they will open it under another name, and so what? Unfortunately, that is the disease of today. Scammers everywhere. And believe me, you don't have to be on YouTube. If you have your picture anywhere out there on internet, someone can steal it and use it and pretend it's them. I've been told a while ago that one of my pictures is on a dating site called Plenty of Fish or something like that, and I'm a lesbian apparently looking for love. So I don't know, I've never been on that website, I can't check it, but it's just impossible to monitor and police it all. And you know, this is not just happening to me. I think Tati did a video not long ago that those Facebook companies using clips of her video being happy about some product, and they selling some product pretending that that's what it is. I just would like to tell you, one, this is nothing to do with me. These videos are stolen. I haven't given them permission. and there is nothing I can do about it. If you see a video of me reviewing a wig on YouTube, on my own channel, then you can trust that. Nowhere else. You can see some of my wig pictures on Instagram accounts like wigs.com, Hey You Wear, and these are the reputable companies who actually send me the wigs, and that's fine. But anywhere else, nothing to do with me. So remember that. Because I know, and believe me, I really appreciate it. Some of you send me those messages because you know it's a scam, you just want to make me aware of it. But like I said, there is nothing I can do about it. But then some of you actually have bought the wigs thinking that I'm advertising those wigs and then complain to me that they got rubbish. So that is ruining my reputation as well. The second thing is, I beg you, be a sensible and smart consumer. If you saw me on Facebook, then you message me asking me if I've given permission, then you obviously watch my channel. You obviously watch my wig reviews. So you would know that whenever I review a wig, I leave you the links to the company which send me the wig. So when you want to buy it, you know you will get exactly what I'm wearing. So why would you think, and these wigs are between $200, $500, top-notch wigs from designers. So why would you think that you could get that wig for $30 on Facebook? I'm sorry, but if it's too good to be true, it usually is. So what you will get instead is something that you would get from fancy dress shop. A party wig, a doll wig. Now, if you go to a website that you don't know, you're not sure about, what I do, I scroll right to the bottom of the page and I go to the section called Contact Us. If there is no address or telephone number for this company, I don't touch it. I don't touch it. Because why don't they want to have their address there or telephone number? They usually just, if you click on Contact Us, it will pop out with a form. You just put your email address and you can write a message and send it. And you probably will never hear back. So that's the first warning sign. Doesn't matter what the prices are in, if they are in pounds, in dollars, in whatever, they probably are all in China. Do you think that if I found really cheap wig that was really nice, good quality, I wouldn't tell you about it? Of course I would. But that's quite impossible to do, to get really cheap wig for $30 that will look like my editor's peak for $300. And I think that is the latest video they are using on one of those websites, is my video of reviewing the new editor's peak Elite. And they actually calling this wig editor's peak, although you will notice they don't call it Raquel Welch because that's the designer of the wig, but they call it editor's peak. And this wig right now is on sale for $15. Why would you think that you could get for $15 that wig that I was showing? But apparently some people do. I just want to warn you about it. I can't be making these videos every year. When I started getting more and more of these messages, I was putting the link to my old video about it because I felt I would have to spend all evening explaining all this in every comment. So as much as I appreciate you letting me know about it, please know there isn't much I can do about it. Therefore, I would ask you please not to send me any more messages about it. And believe me, I appreciate it, and I know you only do it because you think you're helping me. But all it does is really, really upset me. Yesterday, I was in bed because I got so many messages about it, and I thought, I was so annoyed that this is happening and that I can't do nothing about it. So all it does is upsets me. And the only thing I can do is warn you about it, ask you to be very, very vigilant when you're shopping online, And please, if you watch my wigs reviews and you want that wig, don't use anybody else but the companies that I've linked below, because that would be the wig from that company that I'm showing you. I get contacted by Chinese companies on a daily basis, emails to review their wigs and hair pieces and whatever, and I'm not going to do it because I know that they are not going to be a good quality. I'm sure there are companies, okay, let me just say this, I'm sure there are Chinese companies that make a bit cheaper wigs. They won't be the same quality as the ones that I'm advertising, but they might look still quite good and be cheaper. But what they don't do is steal people's videos and photos and put them on their website. Because if your wig was so good, why don't you just post picture of that wig instead of stealing someone else's picture? Do you know what I mean? So please, I appreciate it. I know you mean well, but please don't send me any more of these messages. There is nothing I can do about it. Well, I could, but that would become my full-time job, chasing these people, spending my money, and I would never ever stop it, believe me, because you shut one down, it opens somewhere else under different name, under different company name, under different Facebook account. It's impossible. You just have to be really smart consumer. So what I will do as well under this video, I will, because I work usually with 2 or 3 wig companies, but I obviously know a lot of reputable wig companies, or ones that maybe I work just once with that are reputable. I will leave you a list of those companies linked in the description box, the ones for UK, and I mean most of them you can order it from US or UK. But I usually get my wigs from Mimo Wigs here in the UK, but she ships all over the world. There is Wig Studio One, there is wigs.com, there is another website here in the UK, and do you know what, check them all out, because also the same wig will cost different on different websites. I mean, not £35 or dollars, but there might be $50, £50 difference, because they might have different sales on, or maybe they have bigger buying power, so they can sell some wigs cheaper than others. So do your research, but only within those companies that I tell you about. By the way, I don't make any money out of it. I don't ever get paid for my wig reviews. I just get the wigs sent for free. But I am not affiliated, I don't get commission, I don't get paid for it. So just so you know, that when I put these companies down below, it's not because you know, I'm gonna rip some benefits from it. I just don't want you to get ripped off. You know what you can do? You can share this video on all your platforms. You can share this video on Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, you know, when you're watching my video, underneath there is button share, and you can share it. This is not you stealing my video. If you share my video, if someone on Facebook clicks on it, it will take them onto my YouTube channel. So that's not stealing. Stealing video is if you download my video, cut it to bits, and then pretend it's yours. So share my video on all your social platforms that you have, so other people can see it. I know you've been leaving comments under those scammers' Facebook accounts, and your comments get removed very quickly, but you can carry on doing that, because someone always will read it, will manage to read it. Even if 2 people read it, they can spread the word, if you know what I mean. So that will be more help, not to me, because like I said, I can't do anything about it, but you can help that way other consumers that get scammed by these people. Okay, my lovelies, that's it. I don't want to talk about it again, ever again. It is annoying, frustrating, upsetting. So, but I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you understand. And please don't get scammed and stay fabulous. Bye.